What's up guys, Uwe here, and today I'll be showing you how to open a stock fuel door. So if you're trying to open your fuel door and it won't open, as you could see, it's not open, even though it tried to open or pull the lever, it's still not opening. Alright, so the first thing to do is open your trunk. So for example, on a wagon or MPV like the Toyota INNOVA, just go to the side where your fuel door is, and usually you'll find this panel right here. So just open that up. Of course, get the things out of your way. And right over here, you'll see the cable for the fuel door cap. And there's the release pin right over there, that one. Then for smaller cars like the Honda City, you'll find the release pin for the fuel right around there. Alright, so I turned on my flash so you could see it better. So yeah, since the door of fuel door won't open, we need to remove this release pin. So basically just grab that and turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. After removing the release pin, if you would go outside, you will see that your fuel door is open. Now we won't put it back, we'll just leave it open. What we'll put back is the release pin. So just do the reverse process, slide it there, just slide it in, make sure the pins are aligned and turn it clockwise, and there you should have the release pin back right there. Now grab a lubricant and just spray it on the pin, and you could close that out. You should put back the tool. Alright, so after spraying lubricant on the release pin, we'll try to open it now. As you could see, it's opening already. So there, just make sure to put lubricant if your fuel door is not opening whenever you pull the lever for it, and that's just a simple solution. So there you have it. That's how you quickly solve the stock fuel door. So basically, if your car is old, the main cause would most likely be a slacking cable, so you might want to get that replaced. The other possible cause for this issue would be a loss of tension in the fuel door spring. So if your fuel door doesn't pop out, that means the problem lies on the fuel door spring. So another possible cause is your fuel door lever. So if your fuel door lever is damaged or the cable is not attached to the fuel door lever, that's another cause. So if one of those problems are present, you must replace those parts. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope you liked the video. It helped you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.